going on, everybody? This is Jake Jones here with MarineMax, Texas MasterCraft here in beautiful Fort Worth, Texas. Today, we're going to walk through a 2023 MasterCraft NXT 22. You see we have the gunmetal flake on the side. We have the black up on top on the gunnels. When we climb inside, you'll see an awesome Viper red interior. So let's climb back to the transom and check out some of the options back there. So back here on the swim platform, you see we do have the new option for 2023 with the swim step. Super easy to use, stows right back into the swim platform. Back here you see it, we have our bench seat. Great spot to hang out, or for you wakeboarders, great spot to get your feet in the bindings and get ready to go out there and ride. All right, so like I mentioned before, you see we do have the Viper red cool feel upholstery in here. It gives it a really sporty look. Black stitching in there to match up with the outside. Go to the Z6 tower, super easy to use. Clips on each side, lowers down to stow. Of course, we have our always standard clamp and board racks here from MasterCraft. No more bungees, super easy to store your boards. And no more having to reach around, getting a little funky with it. Up top, you'll see we have the bimini. For 2023, they added 2 more additional spots up top, so you have 4 spots for boards right in the bimini. Plenty of board storage for everybody. C-deck gray flooring underneath. We'll climb in the bow and check out some space up there. So up here in the bow, we do have plenty of storage underneath both sides, as well as our always dedicated anchor storage center line. Plenty of space up here on either side, port and starboard, for 2 full adults. Great spot to hang out. You got cup holders up here as well, so you guys are all set to hang out in the sun. So up here at the helm, you'll see we do have our JL audio head unit on the left side. Over on the right side, we have our digital screen. This is where we control our SurfStar system. Presets are already loaded in there. You find it, click load. Boat sets everything you need up. So while you guys are getting your board, getting your life jackets, setting the line, the boat's gonna take care of everything. So by the time you're ready to ride, the boat's ready to ride as well. Thank you guys for checking out this NXT 22 with me today. If you guys have any questions, hop on to MarineMax.com. There you can find all of our other inventory from MasterCraft, as well as our other great manufacturers. We also offer competitive in-house financing here, as well as an awesome pro shop. So if you guys have any questions, give me, Jake Jones, a call at 682-282-9969. Thank you.